Hi everyone, today we'll be learning about how to find the empirical formula and from there how also to find the molecular formula given the percentages of a certain compound. So let's start off by looking at this problem. What is the empirical formula for a compound that is 32.48% sodium, 22.65% sulfur, and 44.99% oxygen? The first thing to do is find the molar masses for each of these elements, and I have listed them right there. Sodium 23.0 grams, sulfur 32.1 grams, and oxygen 16.0 grams. Just as a mental note for you, it's always better to round to the nearest tenth whenever you're trying to find the molar mass. It's just kind of what most people prefer in order for the answer to be accurate. So in order to find the empirical formula, you're first going to have to take the percentages and then divide each element's percent by its molar mass. So for sodium, it would be 32.48 divided by 23.0 grams, which should equal 1.412 moles of Na. Next, you have sulfur, so it's 22.65 divided by 32.1 grams, which should equal 0.7056 moles of sulfur. And then 44.99 divided by 16.0 grams, which should equal 2.812 moles of oxygen. Now that you have the moles, you have to divide each of those numbers by the lowest number of moles you have, which would be sulfur 0.7056. So now it would be 1.412 moles of Na divided by 0.7056, which would equal approximately 2. And then 0.7056 moles of sulfur divided by 0.7056, which would obviously equal 1. And then 2.812 moles of oxygen divided by 0.7056, which would equal approximately 4. So these numbers are representing the subscripts. So the empirical formula for this would be Na2SO4, which is sodium phosphate. Sorry, not phosphate, sulfate. And that is how you find the empirical formula.